Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks again for watching. And if you are watching, you clicked on it because you wanted to see kind of an artsy music, like mood video. I didn't want to talk today. I just wanted to put on makeup and play, which is what I did. I'm looking bronzed and golden right now, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. But before you leave, do make sure that you like and subscribe and let me know below in the comments what you want to see more of. I'm a small channel and that really helps me a lot. So let's get into it. There's no talking. It's just calming, kind of like de-stressing video, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.